Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel ACB Designs. On this tutorials, I'm going to teach you how to make this beautiful basket weave smocking. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do so. Press the notification bell to notify you anytime I upload any video. And if you are done watching the video, don't forget to hit the like button and comment in the comment section. These are the materials you'll be needing for our smock: a ruler, needles, scissors, a marching thread, your fabric, tape measure, and tailor's chalk. Okay, let's get started. Yes, at this point, we have our fabric pieces ready. The measurements I used is 36 inches by 36 inches. So 36 inches long and 36 inches wide. We are going to create squares in these fabric pieces. Okay, so let's get started. Yes, I'm going to create squares inside these pieces of fabric. Okay, the squares, I'll be using 3 by 3 for my square, so 3 inches interval each. Yes, so this is what we'll be having after creating the boxes with the pieces we cut out. That's 3 inches interval, 3 inches by 3 inches interval. Okay, so we move on to our next step. Yes, so after creating the first line, the diagonal in the boxes, okay, we will then come to the next row and then make another diagonal, but with at this time we will skip this box. We come to this box, but we will turn the diagonal line this way. We skip this box, we come here, we skip this box, we come here, we skip this, we come here, we skip this, we come here, we skip, and then the last one like this. So after creating the two rows, we then move to the third one. The third one, you repeat the same thing at the first row in the third row this way. Okay, so the fourth row too, you are repeating the second row's diagonal lines in the fourth row. So we skip the first box, then this diagonal line like this. You are going to repeat all these lines in the boxes so we fill in all the boxes with diagonal lines. Great. So after creating the diagonal lines in the boxes, this is what you'll be having. Okay, so we're moving on to our next step. Yes, so our next step is to have our needle threaded. Yes, so please watch me carefully. We will then come to the tip here. We pick a small fabric here. Then we come to the next step here. We pick another fabric. We pull and then we create then we tie. Yes, we move on to the next row. You pick another point here and then another small fabric here. We pull through, then we tie. Okay, so we come here to we pick another fabric here, we pull through, then we tie. We are going to repeat this on all the boxes in the first row. Then we come to the second row. Okay, so after stitching the first row, you then move to the second row. We pick this point here, we bring it to this point, then we tie. Okay, we come to the next one, we pick another point here, then we tie. We are repeating this to the end, to the end. Okay, so we are repeating this to the end, then we start all over again. We repeat the same thing here to the end, and we are doing it in all the boxes we created. Yes, so we are still on it. So we are repeating this until we fill in all the boxes. Great, we are done with our smoking. So this is how the back is going to be. So let's turn it to the right side. This is what we'll be having. This is called a basket weave smoking. At this point, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do so. Press the notification bell to notify you anytime I upload any video. And if you are done watching the video, don't forget to hit the like button and then comment in the comment section. See you all in our next video. Bye.